topic. Some days torture, some days better. La la la, la la la.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Mbitri Julia Amelinda. Everybody call me Fitri. Here I will explain in detail what the difference is between family and relatives. I will answer the core and extended family along with explain. I think the main difference between family and relatives lies in the intensity of the relationship and its scope. Number one, the family consists of a nuclear family, namely friends and children. Meanwhile, relatives are people who have wider blood. Thank you.